That's the might of the bulldozer, an indispensable machine in construction and beyond. Its robust frame and powerful engine stand ready to conquer the toughest terrain. Giant, cleated tracks provide unwavering stability and immense grip, allowing it to navigate uneven ground with ease. The formidable blade, a testament to brute force, effortlessly pushes and levels earth, rock, and debris, from clearing land for new developments to shaping roads and managing vast landscapes. The bulldozer plays a vital role in progress, a true workhorse of industry.